The next thing we're going to do is bring the 1-inch square PCB into our design for our chassis, and we're going to do this the same way as what we did with the Arduino, where you come over to the file in the data panel window and do a right click and then choose insert into current design. And here's our board right here, so we're going to move it back some. And now let's change the view here, and let's do an align, and we're going to choose the bottom of the 1-inch square PCB and choose the top of the base. Alright, if we take this view here, okay, it looks like it's pretty well aligned. Now we gotta move the PCB. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Actually, let's go ahead and put this 3 millimeters above. Okay, but now we want to move it to the other side here. So let's move again. I'll move it over here because again, just to keep the wire length between the two boards as small as possible. That's why we're positioning the PCB as you see. Now, if you have a Arduino Uno board, this PCB would actually go over on this side here, because you want the board close to pins 8, 9, 10, and 11. So if the Uno is oriented the same fashion as the Mega is in this picture here, you would want the PCB to be over on the left side. You know, when you're looking at, you know, say like this here, you know, at this view here, you'd want the PCB to be over on this side if this is the Uno. Alright, but let's just take another look here and make sure what we got. So, yeah, you can see that our 1-inch PCB is 3 millimeters above the top surface of the base, just like the Uno is, and we've got it behind it in the upper right where it should be. Okay, this is a very short video because the next step is to start to create the standoffs that these two boards are going to rest on, and I would rather do that in a separate video.